tears on my pillow as she haunts my sleep. Nightingales cry till the sacred walls sing and rattle those unholy grounds. I ran as far as my feet allowed, but I still see her face in every crowd.
Love isn't weak or strong. Love is a measure of who you are in the face of what's wrong. Sometimes love takes the blame, not theirs to take. Sometimes love is a bird that wants to fly far, far away, but stays locked in a cage for a boy she wants to save, only to make the same mistakes and become his first heartbreak.